Okay, so let's take a look at this example. A linear motion 9. A rock is sliding on a frictionless incline. Let me make this a little bigger first. And go to here. Okay, so we have to remember the rock is sliding on a frictionless incline. What is the thought process? What do we think about it here, and what do we see? I said, well, first of all, how many forces act on the rock? The rock is the object of interest. We don't care about the density, the size, all other features for the rock. The rock is basically a dot, right? That's how we're going to treat the dot. Well, the first force that you should thinking about it is the force of gravity. And as you learned before, what is the direction of the force of gravity? Vertically down, okay, in the field of gravity. So we're going to draw an arrow pointing down, and this is force of gravity. Now, what other forces act on the rock? Well, first of all, it says frictionless, which means that there is no force of friction. But the rock does make contact with the surface, right? And when an object touches the surface, the force that you should thinking about it is the normal force. Now, how do we draw the normal force? The normal force, right, is perpendicular to the surface, right? So there has to be an imaginary 90 degrees here between the surface of the surface of the inclined plane and the normal force, right? So that is the free body diagram, force of gravity and normal force in this particular case. Yep, a nicer picture looks like this.